Uptown Swing.
I got Minty.
Minty Peter, not Minty Maddie. Level 2, tempo.
That's right. Good hustle this week, as usual. We're like, hustle, hustle, hustle. Great job hitting the tempo. And even if you do simpler stuff, that's great. We worked on a couple new things. One of them was 20s Charleston. We start with our side-by-side vibe. I go rock, step in front. Hey, ha, and then we're right here. You can do it like this if you want. Hey, ha, you can do those twisties if you want. You don't have to. You can get right back here. Remember, you want kind of a rock step feel to bring your partner back to the side. That's just a nice way to chill out when you're going fast. Feel free to try that sometime. Then we did some stuff in a swing out.
Yep.
Really worked your butts on those swing outs. You did a great job with it, but it's hard work, I know. So maybe try changing to the slower music, and then we'll challenge you to faster music next week. Leaders, remember, we found this place, not this place. This place makes some feeling. The connection is on that triple step. So this is your 3 and 4. Then we can go 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8 should be here. This is where the feeling is. This is not the feeling of pulling that side. This is where the feeling is on 7, 8. So if you can find that triple step, this triple step. So I'm connecting. Then when I take that step, it means something. When I take this step, it means something. You got a little more connection. So if you need to try that at a slower tempo for now, that's great. But try that when you go out dancing a little bit, leaders. It'll really help. Followers,
we're still trying to go in one direction at a time and really letting yourselves be caught. Don't just go to the end of the swing out and stop yourselves. Let yourself be redirected. Don't run away from the feeling.
And that's both sides. When you're here, let yourself get caught. You need to go 1 or 2 inches further, not sooner, further. And the same thing out there. Don't come running back at me. Hang out there. Just do those steps underneath you. Let the floor do the work for you, and the leaders are going to get you going somewhere. We told you the homework is doing 8 count footwork, and we want you to try doing it with the holds instead of the triples. So like this. Ba, ba, ho, ba, ba, ho. So quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Not stop. Stop. We don't want the stop. We want the slow. Ba, ba, hey. You can try the same thing with 6 count. See y'all next week.